Morning all. Yeah, it's still morning. I've been up for a really long time. I've been busy, but I haven't filmed any of it because I just didn't know where to set the camera up for it. Yes, I'm in this again. I am dressed under it. I just put it on top and I wear it continuously because I'm sat next to the conservatory and it's a little cold. So I've been having a little change around of the room. Once we finally got sorted, I'll show you all. But I can't set up the camera anywhere to show us changing it because the rooms are so small that there's no safe space to put it because we have to move everything within the area we've got. But it's getting there, slowly but surely. I'm hoping to have this entire section here, which is the study or dining room. It's not a room, it's a corridor. But we're hoping to have that set up as my permanent filming area. So we've done a few changes. So my computer desk is here. It's still where it was, but behind me now is my little sofa, which I can use to work on, and my table for my puzzle will fit between the sofa and my desk so that I can film here and not take up the lounge all the time, because I just kind of take over the lounge otherwise. So I'll show you all that once it's all sorted and tidied. But at the moment I'm actually sat sorting out packaging for crochet hooks because I'm really low on soft grip ones, and I've got one more stall to do, so I need to get more packaged up so that there's all the sizes, because at the moment I think there's only 3 left ready because I've sold all the rest. So I've got them all cut out on the croquet and drawer. Then I have to poke out all the holes, and then I have to, I've got 2 here, you have to fold them ready for the hooks, and then the hooks will go in, and then we'll put a little sticker on to secure them in. The sticker goes on the bottom bit there to kind of stick it on. That was really helpful seeing there, wasn't it? I'll show you later. So I'm just sat poking holes and making sure they're all neat and all folded, and then later I can put the hooks in and pop the stickers on. Hopefully get it all done before group tonight, but I don't know. I'm very tired, so I'm struggling to stay awake at the moment. And can you even see me? The reflection of my glasses, I don't know how to remove the reflection of my glasses, so I'm afraid you've just got them in there, so you can see the phone in there and my computer screen. But oh well. So yeah, I'm just going to work on this and then hopefully get that done. And then possibly middle ball cake up this yarn, because I'm going to use that to make some more wrist warmers. I'm really low on stock on headbands and wrist warmers, but I'm not too worried about getting too much done because I've only got one more stall for the year. But I want to also get started on next year's stock so that I'm not making a load in the autumn next year, trying to keep up with stock and things, be more prepped and in advance. But I don't have a lot of yarn that I can make into it at the moment. But once this last stall's over, I can use the yarn that I've got and then just dye up more before the next stalls. So that'll give me a chance to get a bunch of stuff made that I don't have made at the moment because I'm really low on stock. But I just didn't want to take the yarn out of circulation to make new products in case someone wanted to buy the yarn. So, you know how it is. But I'm gonna go and hopefully not fall asleep. Probably not helping being this warm, but I'm not going to sit here cold and in pain, so I'm going to get these done. I may set up the camera and record me doing some of it, I may not, depends how I feel. But hopefully I'll see you all later. You'll take care. Bye. Hi all, it's now 3:30. I am ready for bed. I am shattered. I'm struggling to stay awake, which is ridiculous because I've not done much today. But I've got my group tonight, so I can't go to bed. But I have finally finished doing all the crochet hooks. I did film a little. I haven't checked the footage yet, so hopefully if it's good, it'll be in this. Don't know if you can hear the rain on the conservatory roof there, but it's quite loud. That's with the doors closed. But yeah, all the crochet hooks are all now packaged up. There we go. Words. See, brain is gone. That's it. Christmas rain has happened, it means it's shut off. But I still got a stall tomorrow, so I can't shut off yet. So I've got all the yarn packed up for the stall. I've got the tablecloths packed up. I've got the QPL building things, the little white units I use, they're all packed. All the rest of the stock is packed, but it's in my craft room because it's too heavy for me to move into the lounge, so I'll get Duncan to do that later. My wheelchair's charged, so that's good. So I think I'm pretty much ready for tomorrow. I just need to pack the crochet hooks into the crates, but I've forgotten which crate holds the rest of the hooks, so I'll wait until Duncan comes down and he can lift them off for me and see which one it is, and I can put them away then. 3 of each size, so there's 6mm, 5.5, 5, 4.5, 4, 3.5, 3, 2.5 and 2mm. 3 of each, because I had all of these before, and now I think I have possibly one 6mm, one 4.5 and one 2 left, I think it is, maybe that, but they're all the rest are sold, and I think 3 of each is more than enough to last for one stall. I don't think I'll sell anywhere near that amount for the one remaining stall, so that should keep me going for a little bit. I'm hoping to actually change my supplier of hooks, and I'm looking into a new wholesaler that has proper brands that are already pre-boxed in the things, so that I won't have to package them up like this, but I'll have to see on the prices, because I like to keep my hooks pretty cheap for people. I only charge £1 per hook, because I like people to be able to afford them, especially if they're newbies starting out. They don't always buy the yarn when they're newbies, but at least they've got a hook. But some people still like buying the more expensive yarns even if they're newbies, so I just explained to them how to turn it into a ball and all that sort of stuff. But it's quite good. So yeah, I've got them done. I've got to work out a packing solution for the little plastic stitch markers. They come with the crochet hooks, so I've got a bunch of them there. I usually sell them off at like 10p each or something, and people just pick and choose if they want them, because I don't use them very much, and otherwise I'll have hundreds of damn things floating around. But we'll see. I won't have so much of them when I get the different supplier. They won't come with them, so hopefully that'll be alright. It's this problem when you get pre-packaged sizes from suppliers. They already have all the extra bits in, whereas the new supplier I'm looking at, I can buy the individual sizes, and I think that would be better because some sizes sell better than others, so I have to replace them more often. So, but we'll see. That's all for the new year. I'm not worried about that now. Yeah, so I don't know what else I'm going to do now. I've got a couple of hours before we have to head off for group. I don't know how many people are going to be there today. People are down ill, people are off family for Christmas and things, so it's going to be a quiet one. This time of year is always quiet. But yeah, that's probably about it for that. And then anyone who's in my Facebook group for this channel will know that I put a poll up saying if you were interested in doing a theme each month next year. I'll announce a theme on here as well as in the group, but basically I pick a theme, and then any craft you like, you make something and you post it in the group, and then I'll create a thread for the theme for the month, and then I will pick a winner at the end of each month to get a little prize. I'm not going to settle on prizes until the end, simply because, you know, if you're a card maker, you're not going to want to win a crochet set, are you? And if you're a painter, you're not going to want to win yarn, and so I'll wait until the winner's chosen, and then I will let them help choose what prize they want that fits the crafts they do. I think that's the thing. I'll have a selection of prizes and they can pick which ones, basically. I think that's going to be the best way, so hopefully that way people won't end up with prizes they don't want, because that's just boring. So yeah, pop over to my Facebook group, which is linked in the About Me section on my channel, if you want to go over to the poll and say yes, you want to take part, or no, you don't want to take part. We've had a couple who say no, they don't want to take part. but most of them said yes so far, so looks like it'll definitely go ahead. I want to get my Facebook group up and running again, because the last few years it's got really quiet because I just haven't had time to regularly post. I haven't been doing videos, as you know, so it's just not been much of a group, but next year I hope to have a lot more time because I'm not going to be doing so many stalls, so I really want to get my YouTube channel back up and running. So we're going to do the themed thing both on YouTube, on the Facebook group. I might carry it over to my Instagram and my TikTok as well. We'll use a hashtag or something, I don't know, I'll see how it all works. I'll get it finalised and put all the info in my group page and into a video, maybe on January the 1st or something. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna go and see what else I can get done before it's time to head off to group, and I'll have to take this lovely warm thing off. I'm gonna miss it when I go out. But can't wear it out because I wouldn't get my coat on over this. But I might check back in with you and let you know how group 1 went later, but I probably won't unless something really fun happens. So we'll just say this is it for now, and I will hopefully see you all tomorrow. You all take care. Bye.